Canada Smart Mind é uma escola canadense que oferece cursos de inglês, francês e imigração. Os vídeos estão em inglês ou francês para você se acostumar com a pronúncia. Os professores que sabem português vão te ajudar. Aqui, você vai ver um texto, uma regra gramatical e um exercício. Vamos embora!
Do you want to increase your chances in Canada? Do you want to improve your English, or French, or your chances to get a job opportunity in the Canadian job market? You came to the right place. We have videos for your English, French and your job searching in Canada. But before all of this, please hit the subscribe button and the like and bell icons. Then you can have more examples of several accents like American, British, French and especially Canadian. You will get examples and exercises to prepare yourself for the international exams required to immigrate to Canada. You will have templates and tips for your job searching. By taking all this, you will increase your chances to settle in Canada. Check our website link in the description below this video to have more materials. You will have these videos in a partnership with Canada Smart Mind. You are going to see here 1. A text to improve your pronunciation. 2. A grammar explanation to know how to say your things. 3. An exercise to consolidate your knowledge. You will learn how to speak and listen to English and French. Here you could improve your skills to listen, read, write, and speak in order to get a higher score on international tests, to improve your career abilities, and to immigrate to Canada or any other English or French-speaking country. Pay close attention to this video to find out how. 1. Text, script, and the audio file.
New research on dinosaur footprints unearthed in Spain adds to growing evidence that a dinosaur that was genetically similar to the Tyrannosaurus rex was extremely agile. The Tyrannosaurus rex was a very large meat-eating dinosaur that was not agile. The findings were published on December 9th in Scientific Reports, which covers natural sciences. The findings announced the existence of sets of fossilized dinosaur footprints that prove the dinosaur could move quickly. These footprints join other sets found in Utah and Texas. One of the sets there shows dinosaurs running at speeds over 48 kilometers per hour. The Spanish footprints showed speeds of nearly 45 kilometers per hour. To figure out the running speed, scientists measured the length of the footprints and then considered the height of the place where the dinosaur's legs meet the body, or the hip. They also needed to consider the distance between one footprint and another on the same foot. All the known sets of prints that show speed come from a family of dinosaurs called theropods. These carnivorous, or meat-eating, dinosaurs stood on two legs and could not fly. They are like the famed Velociraptor, a dinosaur seen in many famous movies. The researchers estimated that the animal that created the most recent set of footprints was probably 1.5 to 2 meters tall and 4 to 5 meters long from mouth to tail. Scientists think there may be faster dinosaurs, but these footprints have been easier to find. The footprints are known as tracks when there are one or more long sets. Behavior is something very difficult to study in dinosaurs, said lead writer Pablo Navarro Lorbez of the University of La Rioja. These kind of findings are very important, I think, for improving that kind of knowledge. Scientists usually predict dinosaur behavior through computer modeling of the animal's movement. Physical examination of fossilized footprints confirmed the results. These are clearly active, agile animals, said Smithsonian paleontologist Hans Suess, who was not part of the study. I'm Gregory Stockel.
Agora você tem o texto. Lembre-se de entrar em contato. Na descrição você tem o nosso contato.
Now that you have an example of pronunciation, let's go ahead. I wish I could say some nice words and cool you down, but here is the thing. You have to go deep into your practice to develop your skills to talk. Now that you have this video, smash the subscribe button and the like and bell icons to get all the videos from us and share them with your friends. We post the videos every week. Check our website to enroll in our programs. In the description you have the link. For US $9.80 by month of a recurring payment, you will have all this. You can quit anytime, no cost. Also, we teach you how to get a job in Canada. The good news is that you can have all these videos for free if you hit the subscribe button and the like and bell icons. We wish to be your partner on your journey. Now, you will have this, too. Grammar explanation, grammar rule explanation. What is a preposition? Preposition, noun, a part of speech usually coming before a noun phrase and connecting it to another part of the sentence. A preposition is one of the 9 parts of speech. The name preposition, pre plus position, means place before a preposition typically comes before another word, usually a noun phrase. It tells us about the relationship between the noun phrase and another part of the sentence. Some very common prepositions are in, of, on, for, with, at, by. Look at these example sentences. The book is on the round table, relationship and space. We will meet in November, relationship and time. I sent the information by email, relationship of method. Several other relationships are expressed by prepositions. In addition, more metaphorical ideas can be expressed, such as in love, beyond doubt, under investigation. If a preposition does not come before another word, it is still closely linked to another word. Who did you talk to? To whom did you talk? I talked to Jane. Form. Prepositions have no particular form. The majority of prepositions are single words, but some are 2 or 3 word phrases. 1-word prepositions, before, into, on. Complex prepositions, according to, but for, in spite of. When we say that a preposition comes before a noun phrase, we include noun phrase, the tall man, noun, rice, pronoun, them, gerund, verb in ing form, fishing.
Agora você tem a regra gramatical. Lembre-se de entrar em contato. Na descrição você tem o nosso contato.
Remember to go to the description and check the links for Canadian companies searching for employees outside of Canada. Also, you have a link to contact us, since you can only count on yourself. Make your subscription and hit the like and bell icons to receive our latest videos. 3. Exercise explanation.
What is a preposition? Quiz. 1. Prepositions are usually before a noun phrase, a verb phrase. 2. In grammar, a noun phrase can be a single word like a noun, pronoun or gerund, or a list with several nouns, a phrase with several words. 3. Which is a list of common prepositions. In, at, by, with, to, and, but, or, so, yet. 4. Many prepositions show how a noun phrase relates to space, time or method. They tell us what, which, or why it is, where, when, or how it is. 5. She was on the last train. In this sentence, the preposition relates to a location in space, a moment in time. 6. We are going to the airport by taxi. Which preposition relates to method or how? 2. By. 7. Prepositions can also come at the end of a question, as in, who are you going with? Are you going together? 8. Complex prepositions have 2 or 3 words, 2 or 3 meanings. 9. Which is a list of complex prepositions. All at once, for now, after all, next to, in spite of, in order to. 10. In which sentence can you find a complex preposition? He's coming the day after tomorrow. He's coming today instead of tomorrow. Correction. 1. A noun phrase. 2. A phrase with several words. 3. In, at, by, with. 2. For where, when, or how it is. 5. A location in space. 6. By. 7. Who are you going with? 8. 2 or 3 words. 9. Next to, in spite of, in order to. 10 He's coming today instead of tomorrow.
Agora você tem o exercício. Lembre-se de entrar em contato. Na descrição você tem o nosso contato.
In the description you have our contacts to know more about the remote programs and materials that you can have. Tell us your questions and pretty soon you will see what we have to say. We would love to read your comments about this video to answer what you like and what we can do to better help you. Thank you for watching this video and be sure that we will be with you on this journey to turn your dreams into reality. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.